Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to take you through the if function. And for this function, it always check whether a certain condition is met. If that condition is met or is true, it will always return a certain value. If else, it returns another value. And this is the general syntax or the format of using this particular function. So this is the format. If the logical tests, then you give the value if true or if else. For example, if you look at our analysis that we have assuming that we want to make a comment on this particular column. So let's assume that we want to comment if our students manage to get a mark which is above 300, that students, the comment should be pass, else fail, meaning that any mark below 300, that is 299 and below, should always give the comment fail. So let me go with it. Let me check. I need to change the color so that we can have something different. Okay, so if always equal sign if, open the brackets, our marks are on J7, the students managed to get a mark greater than 300, comma, look at this one, if logical, the logical is if the mark is above 300, then you should give now if true, and for the true part, opening remarks, then it's a pass, otherwise or else, comma, the value, if it's false, what should I get? I should get a fail. Then you cross your remarks, then you cross your brackets, then the enter button. So as you can see, this particular students managed to get a mark that is a 316, that is above 300. Okay, now to get the comment on the other remaining part, this is of course Excel. You can now copy. So you drag at the bottom right, then you drag your formula all the way to the bottom part to get the comment for the others. So as you can see, for this Nancy, who managed to get 282, is the comment is fail since it does not meet our condition. Then we have this one is also failed, 246, 340 is a pass, 294 is a fail, 309 is pass, 379 is pass, 293 is a fail. Anything that is below 300 should be a fail, but anything above the 300 should always give a comment pass. So that is how easy you can work with the if function. If you can check, I've already made other video related to other logical function. For example, I've already done a video on the count if, the sum if. So if you're having a challenge on how to work with those logical, you can go through my channel list and check other related video on this particular part on the logical function. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Continue watching, continue supporting the channel by subscribing, liking, and also sharing with your friends. Bye bye.